How to draw Mr. Shark from the bad guys, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Mr. Shark, let's just draw a simple curved line for the top of the head going from left to right. This line will be facing down, and it will look similar to a sideways C. Now on the very top of the head, we're going to draw the shark fin by making a shape that looks similar to an upside down V. So as of right now, we just have the top of the head drawn. Now let's draw the sides of the face by using a simple curved line connected to each point. Are you all done with that step? If so, let's continue. For the next step, let's just go ahead and draw the eyes. If I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. And right above the eyes, we can draw the eyebrows by drawing small curved lines. Now to draw the pupils on the inside of each eye, let's draw small black circles that have a white dot in the center. Now for the nose, we're just going to draw the nostrils, so we're just going to make two small circle shapes that are filled in completely black. Nicely done. Now right below the nose, let's go ahead and draw the mouth by making a big curved line going from left to right with teeth attached to it that look similar to triangular shapes. And if you're new to learn how to draw, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now right below the teeth, let's just make a small curved line to make the outline of the bottom of the face. The next thing that we draw will be the arms, along with the hands. In our drawing today, it will appear as if Mr. Shark is holding the front of his shirt. Let's go ahead and begin right here on the right hand side. Also, the arm and hand on the left hand side will be the same size as the one on the right hand side. Next, we're going to draw the outline of the jacket, beginning with the piece that will be held in the hands of Mr. Shark. The piece that Mr. Shark is holding will attach to the head along with the hands, and then it will go all the way down beneath the hands and arms. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, because then that will send a special message to YouTube that says, hey, this is a good video, recommend it to other YouTube artists as well. Then that way we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Now we're going to draw the shoulders, which will be attached to the piece that we just drew along with the arms, and then we're going to draw the bottom of the jacket right beneath the arms on each side. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now where that big opening is with the jacket, let's go ahead and try a line going from left to right to represent the bottom of the shirt. Fantastic! So far this is coming along very well. Now Mr. Shark has a shark tooth necklace that is around his neck. Let's go ahead and draw this right above the line that we just made. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Next, right below everything that we just drew, we're now going to draw the legs of Mr. Shark. This part might be a little bit tricky because there's going to be a lot of curves because Mr. Shark will appear to be standing with a slight bend in his legs. But just like I previously mentioned, if it's ever a little too difficult or if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video. On the bottom of each leg, let's go ahead and draw the feet. The feet will be coming out from where that curved line is on the bottom of each leg. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Mr. Shark from the Bad Guys. If you liked today's video, then be sure to hit the big thumbs up button right below. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. If you want to see any of the supplies that we use, then be sure to check out the links down in the description below. That's a great way to support Learn How to Draw Hub. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.